Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did a little taste test review, I guess for you could say. I was super excited the other day. I got a package in the mail and I'd made an order and it finally come, and I'd ordered the Uncle Steve's Shake seasonings. Now I'd had one of them before. Miss Hobbs was kind enough to send me one, the thick meat, so ever since then I've been itching to finally make an order to get them all, and finally I did. And when I ordered them all, and then I find out he's made another, and so I'm gonna have to order it too. But it's the original thick meat, the spicy R, and then the Gator Shake. So I was super excited to try them all, so I wanted to try them on something that wouldn't overpower their flavoring and let them shine when I was seasoning them. So I used pork loin today. So starting from left to right, I did just the original, then the thick meat, then the spicy R, and then the Gator Shake. I just came across with them, and then I'm just gonna sear them off in the cast iron pan. It won't take long just to cook them and just keep them separate so I know who's who and what's what when I'm going to try them out for y'all. And again, it's the original thick meat, spicy R, and then the Gator Shake. So put in the original first, and then the thick meat goes in next. They'll be on the left there. And then the spicy R third goes in, and then the fourth, the Gator Shake, goes in on the right. And it won't take long just to kind of sear them over and cook them through. It won't take long because these ones were kind of thinner, and they already had pretty good color from the seasoning already. But you'll see in the end when I'm done the color that it gives when they're fully cooked. And like I said, these didn't take too long because they were thinner pork loins. And right there you can see the color on them they were getting. And they were right here. It was just fixing to be time to take them up so I could start chewing on them and trying them out. Once I got them out, I let them rest for a few minutes because you want to keep all those juices in there. And again, there's the original thick meat, the spicy R, and then the Gator Shake at the end. Now just let them rest for about 5 minutes to keep those juices in there. And then the taste test will ensue. And there's what they look like. Plenty of moisture in them. That's why you gotta let stuff rest. And then chew on them a little bit here, and then I'll tell you what I thought about and what they would go good on. So with the results and the review, I'd say with the original here, it's good for, like it says, it's good on about everything. So if you're doing vegetables or frying up some French fries, anything like that, any meats, I think it'll go really good on. The thick meat kind of says what it's for too. Say if you're doing a brisket or Boston butt or some beef ribs, I think it'll stand up really good with that because it's thicker on some black pepper. The spicy R is kind of like original, just kicked up a notch. It's kind of got a Cajun kind of feel to it. And then the Gator Shake, it's good, I'd say, for any kind of seafood or anything like that. I'd love to try some on some shrimp. So I'm super excited about these to keep cooking with them. So y'all probably see them a lot on the channel. I say give them a shot if you haven't, because it's a thumbs up for me for them. And now I want to try the new one he's got out, the sweet and spicy R, because I know if it's anything like these, it's going to be just as good. So anyways, I thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. and I'll catch y'all on the next one.